What writing systems existed in South America apart from the famous Inca Quipus? Fast facts, scientific updates. A little bit of hypothesis coming right up. Let's set the stage. Before Europeans arrived, South America wasn't just a blank slate. It hosted advanced civilizations, some with writing, some with memory tools. Most people know about the Inca Quipus, those knotted strings for accounting, possibly some storytelling. But what about other scripts? Here's the hard truth. No fully confirmed glyphic system in South America, no Mixtec codices, no Maya hieroglyphs, no Zapotec stone columns. The Andes relied on Quipus bundles of colored chords, knots encoding census data, taxes, maybe even histories. But wait, let's dig deeper. There's one more twist. Some Amazonian pottery shows mysterious incised marks. Are they writing? Most experts say no. Probably decorative or counting, not true script. So here's the skinny. Outside of the Inca Quipus, there's no confirmed writing system in South America. This video was brought to you by Cartonius.com, Mexico's source for bookbinding materials. The collaboration with AI isn't perfect, but together we get a broader view of history. Thanks for watching. If you want more rapid-fire deep dives into ancient mysteries, hit subscribe.